Here we go. Hi, my name is David Brown-Dawson, and here is your walkthrough of onboarding onto the Palm platform. We try to make this as simple as possible so you could set your watch to it. Our goal is that this takes you no more than 7 minutes. So let's dive in. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you where to start. So give me just 1 second. Let me share my screen. Let's see. Boom. There we go. All right. If you can see this, should be able to see it now. Perfect. All right. So this is the home screen. This is ownyourgrowth.ai. This is the landing page. If you click the sign up button, it takes you here. Now, I've already created an account on this page, but all I'm going to show you is where you'll go next. So you'll fill that information out, you'll hit create an account, and then you'll land on the onboarding screen. This onboarding screen is just to give you an overview of what we're trying to do. So in short, we're trying to be your career GPS, but really your career portfolio. So everything is all in one place. All right. So step one is where have you been? Step two is where are you today? And step three is where you want to go. The idea here is if we can get context and understand where you are and where you want to go, then we can help you map it out. And the more context we get about your journey thus far, the more informed our recommendations will be to get you from where you are today to where you want to go. All right, awesome. So let's get started. Got a picture in there, got my name, got my email address. Perfect. This is where I can add some information. So tell us about your career journey thus far. Let's see. My got a bachelor's in civil engineering. Air Force, civil engineer, officer, air advisor, MBA from UC Berkeley, ICF certified coach. And then I think part of that was, oh yeah, I could say real estate finance analyst, ICF certified coach. All right. What I'll show you is you can do either or. What I'll show you also is that I've actually uploaded 2 of my past performance reviews from my time in real estate finance. So you can do either or. But because this account already has those documents uploaded, I went ahead and filled this out. So let's move forward. How satisfied are you with your current career progression? All right, let's go back to the days when I was in real estate finance. I was learning a lot, but I was not satisfied. And really my main concern was promotion. Like how do I promotion and maximizing my potential? Do I feel I have the necessary resources? Let's go somewhat. How optimistic am I? I'll remain optimistic. And then what plans do you take? What steps do you plan to take in the next year? So go to a leadership development course at UC Berkeley, and then I'm going to get an executive coach. Cool. So where do you want to go? All right, this is where you put your first goal. So I want promotion to senior analyst. Now I've already put this goal in here, but I just want to show you how to fill this out. Oh, my bad. Doing it live. And yep, that's something that we'll look at. So I want to get promoted to senior analyst by my birthday, March 31st. Cool. All right. Description. I am an analyst at Grosvenor in the co-investment team. I want to promote to senior analyst. Now, this would change. Oops, spelled it wrong. There we go. All right. So this is where you want to go. And then we kind of try to build this in, but the more accurate you can be with this, again, it's like saying, hey, I'm going from California and I'm traveling to Texas. Well, you're going to get broad directions. You'll still get there. But if you say, I'm going from Sacramento, California to Austin, Texas, then you're going to get very clear directions to get from one city to the other. If you're going from a house in Sacramento or from the state capital in Sacramento, and you're going to the state capital in Texas or in Austin, then that's going to give you very precise instruction. All that to say, you click in here, you've put in your goal, a quick note, hey David, your palm growth report is designed just for you. Every insight is an opportunity to refine your skills, build on your strengths, and navigate challenges with confidence. You've got this, and we're here to support you every step of the way. So you get to click in here. So this is the beauty. This is how you know two things. Let me go here. First, I can click in here, and these are my actual two performance reviews. So just want you to know that they are in here. Reports, that's anytime you run a report. And then I'll come back to feedback, but I really want to go home. There's two of the same goals. What I'll do, just for the sake of this, I can regenerate the report. So it's going to take a little bit of time to regenerate. But what we really want to see is, while it's doing that, I want to show you the achievements. This is where I want you to focus. All right. If you just want to drop something in really quickly and say, hey, something happened. We secured I presented the investment memo and the deal is being considered. Cool. I can add that. Now, let's say I come back and I'm like, ooh, okay, either something happened where it updated, or let's say I want to take some more time. So I can change this from a snap to a clap, and now I have the clear framework. So context, leadership, effort, achievement, reflection. The idea here is, and you still have the original, what you wrote initially, but the idea here is you can make your achievement more robust when you have more time, so that when it comes time for that performance review, or it comes time for that next opportunity, you have as much information as possible in here, ready for you to use, ready to advocate on your own behalf. So I'll change this back to Snap for the time being. And now let's see. So we got a new report. We can click into it. And again, this is from 3 years ago, 4 years ago now. But basically it processes the performance reviews to see hard skills, soft skills, areas of growth, progress. But really, the achievements is where I want to focus your attention. The goals, really, there's 2 goals right now, and they're the same. So I really delete one of these. It doesn't really matter which one. I'll just delete this one. All right. But we still have the goal here. And then if I click in here, it has just kind of next steps based on what I've identified already, but then also recommendations based on where I want to go. So what this is saying is, if you want to promote to senior analyst, here are some ways that you're going to need. These are some things that you're going to need to do. Identify and take charge of projects that align with your career goals, emphasizing leadership qualities. Now, again, the more precise you can be with your language in terms of setting SMART goals or setting goals, the better the feedback is in terms of how to get there. That is it. That is the onboarding. I know that was onboarding plus showing you a few of the features. Where I think you should start is achievements. We are near the end of 2025, and now is the best time to go through and reflect on the year and start adding these achievements. I'll add a whole nother video. There's a whole nother video where we take 30 minutes to unpack just how deep you can go with this clear framework that I showed you. This framework right here, there is a whole video that I will share with you that steps through this and gives you even more tools to go about building this. Really, it's meant to enhance your portfolio, your professional portfolio. And really, the beauty of this is, I'm super excited, but the beauty of this is you can keep all of your goals, your achievements, any past performance reviews you've gotten from here on out, any feedback that you get, you can keep it all here and then leverage the AI that's built into the platform to continue growing, see what hard skills are coming up, what soft skills. And I'm telling you, on the pro plan, you have Coco, our AI coach, who is along to help you even more. That's it for now. Have fun exploring, and feel free to connect with us, connect with me if you have any questions. David@ownyourgrowth.ai. That's my email address. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Oh, there we go. All right. Take care.